nice and clean. Wash, wash, wash. Now that it's clean to my satisfaction, I'm gonna remove the crab back. Because you can't eat them things here, you know. And you have to remove them little debris there from it. Yes, take them off. Take them off, guys. Because you will see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cook the crab in the sauce. So yes, these things have to go. I'm not gonna say what that little thing they find, but people have it to say something. I'm not gonna say it. If you're a lover of crab, you will know. I am not removing the flesh by washing the crab inside like this. No, people. The crab flesh is under the shell. Clean, clean, clean. Girl, take the brush now. Still now remember to take out the brush and do it